This is a fabulous reception. As I was telling Jeremy, that when we had Scottie Pippen come in here, it was the biggest reception we've ever had from the press, and it was a tenth of this. Thank you all for being here. We appreciate it. We think Jeremy is going to be a fabulous addition to the team. We welcome him. We like him.
I'm just excited to be here, and I think the biggest thing, or the biggest thing that excites me is the fact that I know what this organization is about, and I was in training camp with Coach McHale, and I saw how he operates and what he expects from the team and what he's about. And so to me, that's something that I believe in as well, and it just made sense. Well, I'm not really I don't see myself as a conquering king, but it's been an unbelievable ride. Just a lot of things that I didn't expect to happen, and in terms of just the way last season went, and I still have to kind of remind myself that this is all actually happening sometimes, but it's a huge blessing from God, and I can't believe how it all shaped up, and for me to be able to be right here right now, I'm definitely excited and thankful.